I'm screaming. I look like I'm straight out of the 80s. I know I look crazy. I do. Just let me explain. Hey guys, if you don't know who I am, my name is The Vintage Gore. I do creative shit and sometimes hair tutorials and stuff in my room when I'm bored, because what else is there to do right now, to be honest. I love dressing up. I love doing inspired looks, especially celebrity inspired looks. And today I thought it'd be super duper fun to do a Rico Nasty inspired look. I don't know if you guys have been living under a rock and you have not downloaded TikTok, but 2020 got everybody doing mullets. I even cut my own hair into a mullet, but it grew out so fast. Like, mullets are hard to keep up on real hair, so I thought, why not try it on a synthetic wig? This one looks a hot mess right now. That's because it is. It's a hot mess. This wig I actually dyed. If you guys don't know, I dye synthetic wigs. It's how I save money. I have a whole playlist just for y'all on how I dye my synthetic wigs. Even though I do not have a specific video on this full-length video, I think I have a short of it. If you guys really want an in-depth tutorial on how I did this wig, I can do that, but it's literally the same process. When I first saw her do that mullet last year, that's before anybody had started doing mullets again. I think, I'll take that back, I think Rihanna did it once, but before that, I think Rico brought it back. She made it cute, she made it a trend again, and I love her take on street fashion. I love how she switches up her aesthetic. Like, she's known for doing that shit. She's known for wearing just whatever she wants to wear. It doesn't even have to be specific. I mean, people could consider alternative, but sometimes she just dresses up like her version of a baddie, and I relate to that. In the front, it's literally bangs. So that's how short we're gonna go, and then the back is long. It's a true mullet. I see a lot of mullets that aren't like this. This is a true mullet. Business in the front, party in the back. This wig I don't even wear as much, so that's why I thought it'd be the perfect candidate. Plus, it was already pink. Her hair is like more wavy, but I feel like the more choppy the layers get in this wig, the more the waves are gonna come out of it. Kind of like a shag. This is it combed out. I had already cut like bangs in here, but we're gonna section it off right behind the ear on both sides. Yeah, if you feel like you gotta tuck it, you need to take more out. I'm just gonna take a rubber band and section the back. I really don't think it has to be perfect, to be honest. That's the beauty of a shag or a mullet. It don't gotta be perfect. You want to get some shears. I would suggest not using the same shears you use to clip your ends with the ones you use for your wig, because this is synthetic fibers and you don't want to dull the shears that you need for your actual hair. You want it to be sharp so you can actually clip those ends. I'm kind of scared. I'm scared. First cut. You want to make sure it's even on both sides, because like I said, this is going to be more like a bang. Okay, so the worst part is over. So now I'm just gonna take sections out and we're gonna make it a straight line. Still need this shorter. Just gonna line it up. Also, when cutting your hair, I suggest to wear a shirt that's up to your neck so you don't get hair splinters. You can get hair splinters. I'm trying to do this so you guys can see the full effect. This is hard, y'all. It's hard. I've never done this before, so I'm scared. I'm fucking it up. So I take the top part and just cut. We're just gonna cut it. I wish this was a tutorial, but it's not. Okay, so it's starting to get layered how I liked it. So right now I'm really not doing any rhyme or reason. I'm just trying to get the shape how I want it. Okay, so you just want to brush out all the stray hairs. I'm gonna take down the back. You guys, I have hair over. So right now I'm just gonna thin out the edges. I officially look like Billy Ray Cyrus. So the bottom of her hair was kind of curled, so I'm just gonna try and do that right now. I'm just using a regular flat iron, iron flat iron. It's on 350, but I might turn it down lower because this is a synthetic wig. I doubt it will actually curl, but I could probably get it to lay better. Yeah, I'm just gonna curl the ends. If I had the time, I would suggest doing a hot water roller set, because that will definitely get your hair to curl whichever way you decide to curl it. You don't have to go over it too much, just to make sure it's flat. Now for the hard part, the front pieces. For the top, I'm not really parting spaces out. I'm just grabbing pieces where I can, because this flat iron's so big and this hair is so short. I'm just trying to grab whatever I can and then curling it down to lay it flat. You kind of just have to over direct it and add the heat. You have to just keep manipulating it until you get the result you want. Since my wig was already parted a certain way, it's just gonna take a little bit more effort. Okay, so all I did was add some hair lotion and smooth it down so it was laying flat, because hers was kind of flat. This side turned out a little choppier and worse than this side, but this is the side I did first, so this was the experimental side. From this angle, I love it. I could cut the bangs shorter, but I just like them longer and in. I could also hairspray it in place, but I don't feel like doing that. If your bangs are like mine and not cooperating in the front, you can just take a bobby pin and just pin them together and then put the hair on top. I'm screaming. I look like I'm straight out of the 80s. I guarantee in like a year we're all gonna regret that we ever did this to our hair. So you guys, this is the finished look, okay? But if you want to stay tuned and keep watching, I'm just gonna quickly do my makeup and come back and yeah, give you the full experience. So just keep on watching. So this is the final look. I love the way my makeup turned out, you guys. Thank you guys for sticking with me throughout this video. If you guys are wondering about my outfit details, my earrings are from the dollar store. My necklace my grandma gifted to me. And for the shirt I made myself, and it's coming to a Depop or Etsy near you, okay? So now there's just one question left to ask. Did I nail it, you guys? Let me know in the comments below. Bye.